A little while back, this client came to us because they wanted to be less dependent on Google Ads for their inbound leads. So we had a good look at their assets and we thought, you know what, we're going to rebuild your website. And so that's exactly what we did. This here is a beautiful new website. However, when we built this website, we built it with SEO in mind. Now, after 2 short months, when we head across to their SEO report and the client is ecstatic about this, you will see they are generating leads, traffic, and conversations from their SEO campaigns. And some of their keywords, again, after only a couple of months, are ranking in the top positions organically. Now, does this mean that their phone is going to ring off the hook? Absolutely not. But in the ecosystem of a business's marketing, this is a fantastic asset and a great way for you to potentially reduce the amount of ad spend that you are currently spending by increasing your organic reach. Now, the other thing that is worth mentioning in this short video is that content today that is ranking for organic search also shows up with large language models when people ask them for referrals. For example, hey ChatGPT, can you refer me to a plumber in insert location? If you have the right content and the SEO on the website is good, the search engines will find it, they'll send it to the LLM, and then you will get that lead. If you like what you see today and you want a similar result for your business, head across to tradingwebguys.com.au and start the conversation. Also, if you enjoyed these tips, head across to YouTube and follow our channel.